If you are a Coursera course lover, then there is a great news for you, because again Coursera is offering top 9 free certification courses for their 9th birthday in this April 2021. That means throughout the whole April month in 2021 you can enroll this course free and you will get your free certificate after completing these courses. That means everything is free for this April month. So now let's see what are these 9 free certification courses and how to enroll in these courses. Here you can see the very first course is Develop and Deploy Windows Application on Google Cloud Platform. This course is offered by Google Cloud and I am showing you how it is free. Here you can see that start earning your free certificate today. Your cost will be automatically adjusted to free at checkout. One time use only, offer is subject to a change and valid through the end of this April. That means throughout the whole April month you can enroll this course free. Now the second course is Building Modern Python Application on Amazon Web Service. This course is offered by AWS Amazon Web Service. Then the third course is Introduction to Machine Learning. This course is offered by Duke University. Next course is here Problem Solving Using Computational Thinking. This course is offered by University of Michigan. Next course is Financial Planning for Young Adults. This course is offered by Leonis. Next one is Inclusive Leadership, the Power of Workplace Diversity. This course is offered by University of Colorado. Next one is that Music for Wellness. This course is offered by Berklee. Next course is Career Decision from Insight to Impact, and this course is offered by Wesleyan. And the last course is here for you, Giving Helpful Feedback. This course is offered by Boulder. So these are the top 9 courses you can enroll here in Coursera and you will get your free certificate. Now I'm showing you how to enroll these courses. You will get the link of these courses in the video description. So when you click on the link of any particular course, then the page or interface of the course will be opened before you. But you need to wait until you find this announcement. That means start earning your free certificate today. Your cost will be automatically adjusted to free at checkout. You need to wait until this notification will appear before you. When this notification will appear before you, then you can click here Enroll for free. And okay, here you can see that purchase course. The price of this course is 49 USD, but it is now 0 USD. Here you can see, and there you can see that free enrollment available until April 30, 2021. Valid for one enrollment per person. Okay, so then you need to click here Go to Course. So when you click here Go to Course, then you'll be able to enroll these courses, and I'm not currently enrolling it, so I don't need to click here Go to Course. But in case of you can click here Go to Course, then you'll be able to enroll and you'll get your free certificate after completing these courses. So I hope you really enjoy this video. So if you find it useful, please share this video, because many of your friends may need to do free certification course from Coursera and they will be very much in debt to you, and it will be helpful for them if you share this video for your friends. Thank you.